It's alright, it's 158, they're not bad. I travelled on one of these to Liverpool, but it was an East Midlands one, not this one. This is a Wales one, this is different.
What hasn't happened?
Oh, there you go. Ooh, it's as dirty as this one on top.
Oh, a lot of coaches on this one. And now it's history.
And now it's history. Goodbye, unit.
It's gone, done.
Down here. You can
see twice as much.
Yeah. Can't really see the engine, but whatever. Scenery is alright. Do you know how far it goes, this?
Not all that far, apparently.
It's Tim.
He didn't know. He said he wasn't tell that far. Beautiful countryside.
Yeah,
you know, you live
like that scenery there. Yeah, it's nice. There's the engine. I can see James, I think, or Tim. You know, I think it's Tim. He's got the beanie on.
Going over that bridge.
Oh yeah, yeah, I'll definitely film that bit. The journey they went through. See?
Like I used to have.
Oh yeah. No, it was the walk across that was the most wet from the station to the ferry. We were at least a bit dry on the ferry, and then coming up the beach. Normandy landings.
Very well organised, I thought. The ferry off to it. You know, far out with this little device for the plank to go on.
Yeah.
So it's very good.
Yeah. I mean, it's like yesterday at the loco curves. You see more of it.
Yeah.
Like up at Festi yesterday. Yeah, we've had some good days so far, haven't we?
You enjoyed yourself?
I have, yeah. Enjoyed myself last night down the beach. It was good to breathe in some of that sea air.
Yeah.
I think it's really
It's like I say, out on holiday, you do things that you wouldn't normally do.
I know. Well, I've got to be more quiet. I guess it's just at night, you know, because like during the day it's like a day out, but at night when we're back, like when we've all packed off and gone to bed, it's like because it's so quiet. And I'm used to a bit of noise at home. It's like, you know, you don't see, you know, it keeps me awake. Obviously last night I was awake for a bit, and then I drifted off, and then I started coughing, which I thought it was just continuing temperature, which I think it was.
Oh, you were trying to coffee there. Yeah. And I'm thinking, well, it's going to make himself sick, so that's why I got up.
Yeah.
Tried to sort you out.
Yeah, and you did. You give me that big rub, and I was fine. But look at some of this mountain scenery and stuff. It's nice out here.
Obviously, Mum's probably into trains a little bit issue because of
Yeah, she finds it
about
fascinating.
your sister. Is she into trains?
Yeah, she don't really turn her interest anymore. She did enjoy York when she was a bit younger, yes, but Noah's the apprentice. Noah's the next in line. I've got quite a good shot of you. Just keep your phone about there. Then you can just see the carriage in front, or the two carriages in front, and the engine snorting. But it's not really snorting, is it? It's not working. It's like we're not.
It's flat. It's because you're on the coast, you see.
Yeah.
It's not, there's no gradients on this, right? See how far it goes right the way along over there on that bridge. Look how far it goes.
Awesome, that bridge. It'll be fun to go across tomorrow.
Yeah.
I mean,
It
we'll
will.
be on the same stoppage, right? Stop, start, stop, start, stop,
Oh,
start.
yeah.
Well, I think along we film the departure from Pwllheli, and then when we leave the rest, because we've done it, unless I sit on the other side, till we get to here, and then I'll film going across here, because it'll sort of, today's journey here has been covered, so tomorrow it'll just be the matter of the train comes in.
It'll be interesting as well because you've got
Yeah,
the picture of the train going over the bridge,
Yeah.
and you've got, look at that now. You get the bridge over there, further out.
pick that up. See, because there's a little camera built in there so I can take pictures of the film, which is handy. Which I did yesterday when we was on going up the mountains on the train yesterday. And when we came back down again, I mean, that was fun. And we got into thingy and I filmed the engine going off to the cold water stand and that it came squealing around the corner.
Yeah,
Did you hear the
it's horrifying.
I know.
Shouldn't be going at that speed.
No, well, maybe they need to give it a boost to get it round. I don't know. Maybe there's a bit of a grade to it. Ever so slight. I mean, you probably won't notice it yourself. It's like you told me when we were learning to drive, and you said you took me around the track, and you said there's gradients here, here, and here. Now I look at them, I see them every time. But it's like ever so slight. Like I could probably see it.
Yeah.
I don't know. They were probably a little too enthusiastic on the regulator. I get a bit like that sometimes. I was with Danny once. Going up the hill. What? You either get up or you stay at the bottom. That's my way of looking at it. I'm not staying down the bottom.
It's a good length, to be honest. We've come quite a way.
Yeah. I mean, it probably won't be as long as yesterday. Not that long. Or,
Nowhere near.
no, that
A
was.
fraction of that. A small fraction.
Yeah. Well, we can. Yeah, well, we've got a good day tomorrow, and we've got a good day on Thursday.
Yeah, it's worth coming to railways like this because, you know,
Well, it's a variety of things because this is
where else would you see an engine like that?
other than Snapfold, nowhere.
Well, that's the full size one.
Yeah, you won't see an
Where
engine of
you
this
would
big.
like to say,
Well, this is 12 of them.
yeah,
But Tim said there aren't that many like it, so
no,
it's unique. But it's like when we go, obviously, to Corris and to Talaclin tomorrow, there's similarities. Well, the gauge for a start, the gauge is the exact same.
as the Talica.
Yeah, it's 2'3" or it's 2'6". One of those. I'm sure.
I thought it was 23 inches.
Yeah, I think it is.
So that's just under 2 foot.
Yeah. I don't know.
Just correcting you on the old imperial measurement.
Oh yes, well, you're better at math than I am. Can't see much of the engine now, so we're just going to film the scene.
First will be 575.
575, what? Millimetres. The track. I have to measure it, find out. But,
Well, 2 foot 600.
yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And an inch is 25.
Yeah.
So it's 575.
Gate thickness. And a nice loophole. Well, if we could, I mean, we could always call back to Welsh Island Heritage somewhere as well. If we can.
Yeah.
So I know we went yesterday, and obviously on home.
Well, we could do that on the way back.
Yeah.
And then from Pwllheli, get the back route up and then go maybe to Canberra. I don't know. We'll have to
Yeah,
have a
well, we'll
look.
work it out. I mean, we go Friday, we've got 3 more days. Obviously, we know what we're doing tomorrow. All the movies, obviously.
And Corus on
Thursday.
Thursday.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad I suggested that. I'm glad it's been met with alright.
Anything to keep you quiet,
Yeah. Ryan does that.
Anything to keep you quiet.
But yeah, it's like I said on the train now.
Okay, matey.
Oh.
What's all about that? Are we coming into the station at all, yeah?
No idea. All I can see are coaches.
Oh, right.
Well, we've just gone past Loop Holt, so we
Yeah.
must.
Be approaching something. We're just going slower, that's all, isn't it?
Yeah, no, well, we have come a fair length. It's better than. I mean, I like the one at Rill. But literally, you get on, you
Go round the
you're back,
Marine Lane.
and
Yeah.
you're back quicker than anything.
Yeah, but it's a lovely little station.
Yeah, they've got a nice little lot of engines. I mean, they've got one that's a diesel that's like Thomas. That's the one that's always been on whenever I've been there.
What gauge is that? Is it 10 inch?
Something tells me it's 10.
Yeah.
I think Tim said it's 10. If it is 10, he'll
We
know.
had the 7 1/4 Society,
Yeah. Well, it's big.
Railway Society there
Yeah.
for an AGM, and I attended Rowland Road,
Yeah.
Easy Rail.
Well, it's yeah, no, it's bigger than us. It's bigger than Dragon.
Oh, yeah.
The engine's working hard up the front there. With the smoke, we're going a lot easy. We're going nice and easy.
Can I have a look out?
Yeah, of course you can. What do you think?
Yeah. Right.
Yes. Nice little engine.
Yes.
I know Tim took fascination and obviously knew the builder.
Builder.
Okay.
Just a builder engineer. He used to make coaches and trains, track.
Used to be. He was a jack of all trades.
Well, it was quite a concern in its day.
Dead now.
I've no idea. My dad used to know of it. So
Yeah. Hey, look at that. It's like a Fowler 4F there.
Yeah. Polytunnel.
4F with the windows on. I don't even know.
Well, it did say it was going to rain all day.
Yeah.
Nice whistle.
Yeah, we're going. I think we're going across the road now. Yeah, because the engine's. Yeah, I think we're curving. So I've got my thing at the right angle there. Because you'll see a bit of the blue engine. There you go.
Oh, an ice cream parlour.
I don't think it's the same ice cream we had yesterday.
No. Marshfield Farm. Sounds like a nice one, though.
Yeah, I don't think it's the same one we had as. What was
Tad Waller's.
the one at, yeah, the one at the shop? Nice loud whistle. We're going back across the road again. I know. I think Tim enjoyed himself.
He is doing.
Yeah. We had his head out before. I'm sure it was Tim. So I just saw what looked like a beanie and I thought, it's Tim. I mean, I've put my baseball cap in my bag.
Having a chill for a week will do it.
I know, it will. I said to him it was doing good because, you know, he does so much of railway, plus he's trying to sort his container out so he can build stuff,
This is sort of a
fix things.
payback for all he's done for me,
Yeah,
really.
And like when Brian's not been down, or Brian's had to go, Tim's usually the one that
Takes over.
and sorts things out.
Yeah.
Exactly. He's been on side with me a lot of the time. Like he'll tell me. Well, he'll tell me if I go wrong, but usually he's,
Oh yeah.
he's like you.
I would tell you if you go wrong.
Oh, yeah, I know you do. That's why I respect you. That was a nice whistle. Quite true.
Like when you were talking about Tim 2's engine,
Yeah.
it's not in for repairs or something.
No, I changed it. Yeah, I changed it as soon
It's
as
just for modifications, really, to make
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, I changed it anyway. It seemed better. You said it, and I thought, right, yeah, it does sound better. Yeah, because it's only a few minor things anyway that he's doing to it, and it needs his steam test because I mean he's had its hydraulic, but it's not had its steam because it's never had a fire truck in its boiler.
Hi guys. They were on the boat.
I don't recognise the little dog. But it's, it's just, you know, it just needs a few minor tweaks. And I mean, it was sat next to Marcus in the carriage shed on Saturday, and you can see the difference between that and Tim's. Yeah. Because, I mean, put her next to your Bodicea. Bodicia's going to be warm.
Oh, she's exactly the same.
Yeah, she's a bigger scale. She's a third up. And there's a diesel here. Big blue.
Oh, you can start filming now.
Big blue diesel.
Nice little truck. A Hunslet.
A Hunslet.
Really?
And it's side saddle. We need a diesel that does that.
Really?
So. Oh look, we could have got the train here.
I wonder if there's any more locos on. I guess not.
I don't know. I don't even know. I couldn't even.
It's a single track, so I'm presuming there probably isn't, unless it's a diesel.
Yeah, well they've got that Russell, that little Russell that's got red and blue line. It's almost like a skull. There we go. It's a European. I think. bit lower down. There you go. Now you're learning.
Foot, 2 foot, 12.
He's right. Especially when you're going tender first.
I've had people put stones in track. Big rocks from the beach. Oh, all right.
I mean, look at the tender. It's not bogey, is it? That's better.
Oh, there you go.
That's better. Where? Oh yeah. The ale last night. Pub. Alright. Hey, it's working a bit more now. Yeah. Martin said it'd be interesting to go across the bridge tomorrow. Go on, you can.
We could walk across it tonight.
Hey, you're right, I don't want to get run over by staying on the Oh, is it?
Yeah. You're not walking on the bloody track for God's sake. Jesus Christ. Trespassing on the railway.
Penalty £1,000.
Did you see the house on here with the semaphore signal?
The 4F
and the
polytunnel.
And the garage with the
And the polytunnel with the 4F and the thing. I think it's 4F. So Fowler, I don't know, 4 or 7F, I don't know. But there it is again. What time's the train going back to Pwllheli?
3:50 something.
Okay, nearly 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
Right, that's fair. That's fair enough.
We've got to get off again, get down to the beach.
Back on the ferry.
Once we're on the other side, it doesn't matter.
Yeah. It's just getting back across the water.
Back to you go straight to the beach.
Okay. That would have been bad then. Oh yeah, I've not seen that happen before.
Might have to just beep it every now and then just to well, it was early, weren't it? That might be why, Joe.
Hey?
It was early.
Yeah. Right, I think he's safe.
Nothing about it.
Oh well.
What is the number then?
841.
The one we were on, 'cause the one we were on.
Now I'm going to look on the film and see if this is the other one. But it's still dirty, look.
Oh, 841 was the one we was on?
No, there was another one that passed us earlier. Might be.